Hello, here's the car tuning station. This is the W206, the new C class from airvent, LED airvent. And this tool is the rear airvent from a rear. We see some detail, product detail. See the detail. See the brightness, quality. This is the front one. And this is the rear right one. This is the rear one. Right, left, the rear area. Let's see the cables. How to install? It is very easy. This is the cables for front airvent. You see that? This socket, plug and play with the airvent. And here's the control box. Here 12-volt power to the fuse box. And you can see this 3-pin. This 3-pin. And here this product here is connected to the co-pilot's side, the passenger side, the original car fee lamp. You would remove the original car fee lamp, you will see that this original fee lamp pin connect to ours here, and ours connect to original one. Just a switch, dual switch. And this rear airvent switch from the from here switch. This is right. It's a car tuning station.